Here we are on our trek to work. See what happens. Blizzard of 2015, day 2. We had, after like 20 inches of snow, I shoveled last night, and this morning I woke up to see another 6 or 7 inches of snow. Fluffy though, no biggie. So yeah, not bad. The traveling ban's been lifted, so all the daredevils are driving around. Or maybe just going to work. Yeah. There we go. A lot of snow everywhere. Pretty cool. Nice guy, dude. Yeah, dude. Thanks, bro. Stuck on second gear. Only going 25. Roads are bumpy though. Oh, watch out for that, dude. Oh, look how wide the roads are today. Cool, huh? What's up, bro? Gordon's, yay! Here we are. Ooh, nice and clean over here. They scraped it pretty good. Stop sign, schmucks. Here we go. People walking around. Change gear, first gear. Nice SUV, dude. Yeah. Portuguese church. Beautiful. Back to the books. Church has money. Dude. Sucks, bro. Let the Jeep go. Here you go, Jeepster. Always be a good neighbor. Let the Jeepsters go. Nice. Yeah, dude. Oh, look at the smart car. Nice. Hey, pretty good. Doing good in the snow. Yeah, bro. Oh, everyone's so neighborly today. Fuck. Here we go. It's recording. What's going on here? Nothing's going on. Look at everyone walking around. Nice. Yeah, dude. VB. Oh, he's got us buried in the snow. I don't think he's working today. VB. Woohoo! Shut up. Careful now. Look at that chick. Nice. Working hard in the snow. Stop George. Here we go. On our way to Bunko. This dude. Yeah, I'll just follow the road over here. I'll be a nice guy. Oh, nice. Get out of my way. Out of the way, fool. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Nice. Here we go. Nevada. Where is he? He's at work, Betcha. He's at work. Doing so neighborly. Is Bunko open? People there. Here's the question. Yeah, dude. There you go. Cops. So beautiful. Bunko, welcome to Bunko. Oh. People over here? Yep. I see cars and trucks. Hey, the world is here. Novella's here. That's about it. Wow, they're all nuts over there. Ooh, somebody's got a hammer. Wow. You're gonna make it. Yay! Somebody's on the rooftop. Ripping in the parking lot. Alright, there's a few guys here. Nice, so a guy from New Hampshire's here. Don't look very impressed. Hey, buddy. What's up? Arrived the Bunko, safe and unscathed. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.